Hi everyone, good day to you all. In today's video we are going to make pumpkin muffins. I hope you will love it. Stay tuned. I'm so glad to have you all again in today's video. For my old subscribers, you are welcome, and to the new subscribers, you can consider subscribing for more videos. So let's dive into the recipe. Today we are making pumpkin muffins. You know, I love cakes. I love sweet things. Not all, but I love cakes. So as you can see, we are making pumpkin today. I bought this little pumpkin from the market, so I just said let me see how this pumpkin tastes. So I decided to buy one. So first of all, before we continue this, I know the video will be going, but I would like to give you at least one or two things about the health benefits of this pumpkin. So first thing first, it is nutritious and particularly richly in vitamin A. And another thing about this pumpkin is it's loaded with nutrients that can boost your immune system. You can imagine that. A lot of vitamins. It has a lot of vitamins. So, and another thing is that it also contains antioxidant content, which may lower your risk of cancer. So you see why I love this pumpkin so much, because when I was in Nigeria, I love eating this. I love eating it. Even the back, I love eating the pumpkin, but it's okay because it has a lot of benefits here. But I will not be listing them. I just say let me brief those little ones to you. So let's get back to our pumpkin muffins recipe. So now, as you can see, I use my hand mixer just to finish the work, and I used my fork to match it, but at the end I had to use my hand mixer. So let's dive into the cake. So right now I'm going to be using 2 eggs in making my cake, because I am going to be baking it in the oven. So definitely I'll be using 2 eggs and in making it. So that's it. Let's enjoy the video. Right now you can see I'm using oil because I love using alternatives in case if I don't maybe have the butter that I want. I can use any other thing. I love exploring so many things in my life, so I chose to use oil instead of butter, and in fact and continue waxing. You can see how creamy, because I'll wax this till it becomes that creamy nature, that creamy texture you want. So, and that is it. Now we are going to add in this baking powder. 1 sachet of baking powder. I added it in the flour before pouring it into the egg and sugar mixture and the oil. So you can see you need to try this cake, man. You need to give it a try. So now that we are done mixing our butter, you can see we now need to add in our pumpkin puree. I'll call it puree because it was blended. I mashed it, so I did justice to it. So it's now time to pop it in and mix together. Make sure it incorporates. Don't do it anyhow, you know. Just take your time, and you can use your hand in making them, turning it, you know. But I use wicks because I love it when I wicks very well. I will not see lumps, or I will not see the pumpkin separate, my butter separate. No, I want everything to incorporate very well. So that is the essence of mixing it. So right away, it's now time to be popping it into our muffin molds. I use pepper mold. You can use any mold of it. I also have the silicone mold, but the silicone mold I have is too small. Is small. It's not like this one. At least the kind of muffin cake you will give to someone, and one will be enough, you know. So that's why I love using this pepper mold in making my muffin cakes. So I recommend you try this recipe. And again, if you do try it, let me know. Tag me on the recipe. Maybe you post it on social media. You can see my social media handle. At the same time, maybe Instagram, Facebook, anywhere you chose to. Remember to tag us on this recipe. It's highly recommended. So that's it. And you can see how we are popping it into this oven, into this mold, and before you know it, we are done, and we pop it into the oven, and we are going to bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes in 180 degrees. So now our cake is ready. Pumpkin muffin cake. You will love it. In fact, is highly recommended because pumpkin itself is loaded with a lot of nutrients you will not miss. You not like to miss. Like now that this coronavirus is everywhere, it will boost your immune system. So that's it. I hope you love this recipe, and thank you for joining me today, and see you on my next video. Bye.